Friends, welcome to IABS IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about science and technology topic, uh, Press Information Bureau, News Analysis, July 12th. INST scientists formulate nanoparticle to reduce severity of rheumatoid arthritis. Scientists from the Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, INST Mohali, an autonomous institute of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, have formulated nanoparticles with Kistosan and loaded these nanoparticles with zinc gluconate for reducing the severity of rheumatoid arthritis. Element zinc is vital for maintaining normal bone homeostasis, and its levels are reported to get reduced in rheumatoid arthritis patients and arthritis induced animals. It is also known that the oral supplementation of zinc in the form of zinc gluconate have very low bioavailability in humans. Kistosan, the biocompatible, biodegradable, natural polysaccharide that is one of the most abundant biopolymers obtained from the exoskeleton of crustaceans, have shown observation promoting characteristics. A previously published report in the journal Magnesium Research exhibited that after intraperitoneal administration in rats, zinc oxide in standard form resulted in a slight increase in serum zinc level, whereas that in nano form resulted in significantly high serum zinc levels, thus increasing the bioavailability. This motivated the INST team to develop the nano formulation of zinc gluconate. How it works. The team prepared zinc gluconate loaded Kistosan nanoparticles using Kistosan and sodium tripolyphosphate in double distilled water, and zinc gluconate was simultaneously added along with the synthesis of Kistosan nanoparticles. Nanoparticles were characterized for various physiochemical properties, and then anti-arthritic potential was investigated against collagen induced arthritis in Wistar rats. They observed that the treatment of rats with both zinc gluconate and zinc gluconate loaded Kistosan nanoparticles reduced the severity of arthritis by reducing joint swelling, erythema, and edema, but zinc gluconate loaded nanoparticles exhibited superior efficacy. The team assessed various parameters like biochemical analysis, histological observations, and immunohistochemical expression of inflammatory markers and suggested that zinc gluconate loaded Kistosan nanoparticles exerted superior therapeutic effects compared to the free form zinc gluconate. This they attributed due to the inflammatory potential of zinc gluconate loaded Kistosan nanoparticles. Nanobiotechnology provides several effective solutions for the problems that traditional pharmaceutical formulations are often not able to address as effectively, such as sustained and targeted release of drugs, bioavailability and the efficacy of drugs and nutraceuticals, etc. The nanoformulation of zinc gluconate loaded Kistosan nanoparticles developed at INST Mohali is a creative example of superior thermophyticals for rheumatoid arthritis, said Professor Ashutosh Sharma, Secretary, DST. Thanks. IABS IAS Academy residential program for UPSC 1, 2, 3 years programs are there. Uh, Thank you.